Looking for ways to be able to make money from home? Well, whether you're just a student trying to make an extra buck or a stay-at-home mom looking for something that's convenient, I have just the method for you. This money-making method is really easy and you don't need to shell out any of your own cash to get started. You don't need to have any work experience to be able to make money this way, so it's beginner friendly. Another really cool thing about this platform is that you can make money in minutes. There are also a lot of different payment methods like PayPal, and once you cash out, you can have your money in less than 24 hours. Pretty great, right? It's a really great way to score some cash quick, and it's a platform that I highly recommend. I mean, I'm making a video about it, right? Another really good thing about this platform is that it's accessible from anywhere worldwide. If you want to go travel and be able to earn at the same time, then this is a great platform for you. You literally have nothing stopping you from being able to use this method. You could be making money right now as we speak. Just completing a simple 5-minute task can get you something like 25 bucks. 10 minutes can get you 75 bucks, and you could even earn as much as $300. Now you may be wondering, what exactly do I need to get started? Well, don't worry. All you're gonna need is a mobile device or any device that connects to the internet. Want to learn more? Well, stay with me until the very end of this video and I'll show you just how it works. Before we get into the video, hi! Welcome to Money Wolf, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Are you ready to start your money-making journey? Good. The very first thing that you're going to do is open up your browser and go to validately.com. Are you there? If you are, then this is what it should look like. Now, if you want to make money through this platform and have no payment method, then you can go over to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. As you can see on the PayPal website, they cater to hundreds of countries and regions, so you're bound to find the one that you live in. Signing up for PayPal is free, so if you want to do that, you can do it by clicking this button right here and then giving them some of your personal information. Anyways, going back to Validately, this website is pretty credible because they've worked with some big names like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Now I'm going to walk you through how the site works so you can follow along, and if you'd like, I recommend watching this video all the way through before doing anything else, just so that you don't make any mistakes. Alright, so this is what the homepage looks like on here, and if you click this right here, you can sign up for a completely free account as a tester. Now, this is where you're going to want to pay attention and not skip ahead because there are questions that you need to answer, and if you don't answer them correctly, then you could miss out on a lot of money, so you're really going to want to listen up. Alright, I'm going to click on this button right here to sign up for an account. Once I do that, it's going to start asking me questions, so I'm going to walk you through how to answer all of them so that your account gets approved and you could be on your way to making money. Capiche? Good. First, it's going to ask what kind of device you're going to be using to complete tasks. I have an Android, so I'm just going to click on this right here. Next, it's going to ask you what kind of computer you have. I have a Windows PC, so that's the answer that I'm going to pick. Oh yeah, by the way, just answer these questions based on whatever you have. You don't have to copy my answers because that'd be cheating. Now, it should be asking what version of your OS you have, and for me, that's going to be Windows 10. Hit next, and then the next question is what your gender is, so just pick whichever one applies to you. Now it should be asking you what year you were born in, and you just put in the answer that applies to you once again. Now for the answer to this question, it's really important that you pick college graduate. Why, you may be wondering? Well, this will help you land higher paying tasks because you're an adult looking for a source of income, so they'll offer you better tasks that pay more. Once you answer that, they should be asking you about your employment status. For that question, you can either choose self-employed, full-time, or part-time. Whatever you choose out of those three options doesn't really matter. For myself, I'm just going to put self-employed and then just put in an industry that I work in. After that, it should be looking for your job title, so you just choose whichever you want under that category. If you actually click right here, there'll be a drop-down menu where you can pick an answer. How's the video so far? Have you learned something new? Well, if you like this kind of content and have found this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more money-making tutorials. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what other money-making methods you want me to create a tutorial for, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Still with me? Well, if you are, I have a bonus tip for you. If you choose the option of information technology as your field of work, or pretty much anything related to computers, then you'll make more money on here. Wink wink. So let's get back and put information technology in right here. For my job title, I'm just going to pick this option right here. Now you should be on a page where they're asking you for your annual income, and once again, you can just pick any option that you think would fit. So I'm just going to pick this one right here. Now here it should be asking you for your name, which you're just going to go ahead and type in, and then you're going to go ahead and give them your email address. Now this next question is also very important because they're asking you for your PayPal email address. Make sure that you give them the email address that your PayPal account is under so that you for sure are getting paid, because you wouldn't want your money to go to someone else, right? After that, they're going to want you to create a password, which is really easy. So I'm just going to type one in. Do you know what time zone you live in? Well, if you don't, then you can look it up on Google. Duh. So to get the right time zone, you're actually going to want to input your time zone manually, and it gives you the option to do that when you click on this right here. Now, all you need to do is agree by clicking here and then sign up. Bada bing, bada boom, you now have an account. If you followed along and do exactly as I say, then you should have your account up and running in just a couple of minutes. Now you're going to go ahead and activate your account. To do that, you're just going to go to your email inbox and click on the link that they send you. Pretty easy, right? Clicking on that link should actually bring you to something that they call a screener test. You can open this link on pretty much any device, and it should take you a minute to finish. The questions you need to answer aren't really that difficult. Another pro tip for setting up your account is that when you activate your account, you should use Google Chrome to open up that link that they send to your email address. When you click on this, then you should see a page that looks like this. See it? Cool. So if you click on this white bubble right here, it'll give you a bit of a run through or tutorial how to use the platform. When you click this bubble right here, you should see the work that you can do. There will actually be instructions as to what to do when you look right here. If you click right here, then it will help you hide the instructions whenever you need to. Now I'm just going to click here so I can start the test. Now to get started, you're actually going to need to download the Validately extension. To do that, you're just going to click on this. Ta-da! Now you should have the extension. Now this platform is really cool because a lot of companies partner with them and they have tons of users from all around the world. By using this platform, you can earn PayPal money. So you actually downloaded that extension so that you can start taking on tasks and start getting paid. On this platform, you get to test sites on both your phone and your computer. You're going to receive tasks like this one where you have to test out sites like this. So they're going to give you a link just like this one. You're going to click on it because that's what you do with links. It's going to bring you to a website that you need to test out, as you can see here. And then the very first thing that you're going to want to do is take a screenshot. You're going to need to do that just to be sure that you have proof that you actually visited the site, just in case their software goes all wonky. If you're on your phone, then you probably know how to take screenshots. I'm looking at you girls who take screenshots from conversations with dudes and then send them to their girlfriends to try and analyze things. Oh wait, that's me too. Anyways, if you're on your computer, then you can use the print screen button to take a screenshot. You can also use a snipping tool like this one and drag over the parts of the page that you want to be able to take a screenshot of. Now I'm just going to do whatever they asked me to do in the instructions. Usually they have you visit a part of the website or have you complete a task. You're also going to want to get a screenshot when you've completed the instructions, so I'm just going to go through and do that for all the instructions that they've given me and take screenshots along the way just so that I have proof that I was actually able to finish the task that they've given me. Now that I'm done with all of that, I'm just going to keep all of the screenshots in one folder in case they need it later. But you should get paid for being able to complete everything. As you could see, everything literally only took a matter of minutes, and the income on this site is really good. This is a great way to earn money, and this is a method that a lot of people have used, so I'm confident that it'll work for you too. That's all I've got, folks. Before I go, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you are the first to know when I have a new video. You can also check out some of my previous videos for more money-making platforms. Let me know in the comments down below what other platforms you want to learn about. See you in my next video!